Determine the rotation and deflection at the free end of a cantilever beam subjected to UDL over an entire span. This is our question, and initially we need to draw one cantilever beam. This is our cantilever beam subjected to UDL throughout an entire span, and this magnitude of UDL is W per unit length. Okay, and our span is length L. Okay, then the name of this beam is AB. Okay, then initially we need to draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, bending moment diagram will be like this. Here at B the value will be 0, at A the value will be minus WL square by 2. Okay, and it will be parabolic, and at a point which is at a distance x from this free end the value will be minus WX square by 2. Okay, and we need to find out the rotation and deflection at free end. Okay, rotation at free end theta b can be found out by using moment area method. Okay, according to moment area method, the change in slope between 2 points on a straight member equal to area of m by a diagram between these 2 points. So theta b is equal to integral 0 to L m by ei into dx. Okay, see integral 0 to L, m is minus w x square divided by 2ei into dx. Okay, minus w divided by 2ei, integral x square is x cube by 3 within the limit 0 to L, and our equation becomes minus w L cube divided by 6ei. This is the rotation at the free end. Since this value is negative, we can write it as this value is negative, and we can write it as clockwise. Okay, the value will be WL cube by 6ei clockwise. Okay, clockwise with a tangent at A. If we draw a tangent at A, this value will be minus WL cube by 6ei clockwise with a tangent at A. Okay. Next, we need to find out the deflection at free end. The deflection at the free end according to moment area method is moment of m by a diagram about the point where deflection is required. So theta b will be equal to integral 0 to L m by ei into moment. Moment means we need to substitute, we need to multiply it with x. Okay, and m by ei into x into dx. Okay, and that will be integral 0 to L. The value of this moment is minus w x square by 2ei, and if we multiply it with x into x dx. Okay, and minus w divided by 2ei into integral 0 to L x cube dx. So it will be minus w divided by 2ei into x raised to 4 by 4 within the limit 0 to L. Then our value will be minus w divided by 2ei into L raised to 4 by 4. That is w L raised to 4 by 8ei, and its value is negative. So we can write w L raised to 4 by 8ei downwards. Since it is negative, we can write this downwards.